Protect your brand from hijackers. Amazon Brand Registry is your secret weapon. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you extra pro tips to make sure those hijackers are removed. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's say you are Pokemon and you're selling your Pokemon, right? And you're doing great. You're like, this is great. I own Pokemon. I'm selling my Pokemon. And bada bing, bada boom, all of a sudden more sellers pop up. So your name is Game Central Biz. So we're going to say this is us. And then we're going to say, here's a competitor number one. We're like, where do they get our game? They're undercutting our price, right? So we can say, here's our game right here. This is us. We're verified. Pokemon's letting us sell it. Pokemon's not selling it, and then we have number one and number two, and they're undercutting us, and I'm pretty pissed, right? So where did they get the game? Why are they undercutting us? I don't want them on Amazon. Let's get them kicked off. These are called hijackers, and to remove a hijacker, you need to become brand registered, right? So right now, this is Pokemon, so pretty much you can either be brand registered for the keyword Pokemon or Monopoly. So what you need to do is go to brandregistry.amazon.com and you need a trademark, right? So you need some type of trademark. So either Pokemon trademark, Monopoly trademark, or any type of trademark, and you need to enroll it. Once you're enrolled in brandregistry.amazon.com, now we can report them and get these removed. You're gonna get access to report a violation, and now you can report them. So we're gonna get this listing, and this is the ASIN, A-S-I-N. Now the ASIN usually starts with B as in boy. So you'll see it after /DP, and then you'll see the ASIN right here. You're gonna plug that in. Next, it's time to remove these hijackers. So, okay, we've got bargains are us. This is us. We're gonna pretend this is us. And then these are the two hijackers. So we wanna report them both. You can do one at a time, or you can do both, and you can report them. And now it's time for you to figure out, okay, do you wanna try to report them for copyright infringement? Maybe they're stealing photos from your website, or do you want to report them? Probably the best option is going to be trademark infringement. So if Pokemon is letting you use this and letting you report them as trademark infringement, you're going to need to have at least one of these keywords trademarked, right? So if you have one of these keywords trademarked, you can report it for trademark infringement and violating your trademark. You can always edit your listing and add your trademark name in here. So let's say my trademark, we're gonna actually do this. I'm gonna show you how to do that. This is a little bit unethical, but this is another way. So let's say we have a trademark and we're saying this is a counterfeit product, or the product or its packaging has its trademark on it, right? But we're gonna say it's a counterfeit, and we're gonna put let's say our brand name is Hawaiian Vitamins, and here it is. Now we can say it's in the title. So now we're gonna add, let's say we edit the listing and add Pokemon Kanto Edition - Hawaiian Vitamins. Or if we have the actual trademark Pokemon, we can obviously just say they're violating our Pokemon trademark. But maybe you can just add a dash and put the keyword Hawaiian Vitamins, right? And now technically your trademark is in the title, and technically they're selling under your listing, which has your trademark in the title. So that's trademark violation, right? So that's kind of the unethical way, because you're just adding your trademark and getting them removed. But this is another way to kick off those hijackers and at least try to stop them from selling on your listing, right? And now you can say, oh, it's in my title, and then your brand's authentic product is being imitated. This product doesn't exist in your brand's catalog. So we're gonna put what it is. Have you bought the item? Now they're gonna want you to do a test buy. So make sure you can do no if you didn't do a test buy, and then just put like why they're doing trademark infringement. Hi, I verified that both of these sellers I am reporting are committing trademark infringement. You can clearly see my trademark Hawaiian Vitamins is in the title. And then again, so pretty much editing the listing, getting it, or if you did have access to the trademark Pokemon, you could be like, oh, my trademark Pokemon's in the listing, or Monopoly, or they added their brand name in here. So they pretty much did the same thing I just said. They added Crease. So this is not actually by Monopoly. They just added this brand name. It's the same as adding Hawaiian Vitamins at the end. So that way this person, whoever owns this listing, could kick these guys off. So again, you could do that, put your contact name, email, and then submit it. And then pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to go to monitor submission history, and you're going to see if it was denied, approved. If it was approved, they're going to get kicked off the listing. They're going to get in big trouble, and they're probably not going to want to sell on your listing anymore, or they're going to get kicked off of Amazon. If it's denied, you can check and see why it was denied. Maybe you didn't provide enough information, or you provided too much information. And if it's under review, we're just waiting for Amazon to get back to us. Now, I'm gonna be giving you some pro tips because you stayed towards the end of the video for getting these hijackers actually removed. Now, what I did say was adding your own trademark onto the listing. That would work if Amazon lets you edit the listing. If not, then you can try other options like adding your trademark to the bullet points, trying to add it to the photos, right? So there's other different ways you can do that. But if it's not your item, it is a little unethical, and you want to just be aware of that. Now, if it is your item, you have all rights to just go ahead. And if you are selling an item, you can also add extra packaging or an extra item that has your brand name on it and add it in the photos. And again, that's trademark infringement. So tip number one is going to be double checking why your review isn't accepted. So why wasn't your review or your submission accepted? You need to go into your Gmail, triple check. Why wasn't it accepted? Did Amazon tell you? If not, you can contact Amazon brand support and ask, why wasn't it accepted? What did you do wrong? And try to figure it out. Don't just go ahead and keep reporting the same person, even though Amazon rejected it, because then they're going to say that you can't report anybody ever again. So you don't want that. Amazon will say that's abuse if you just keep reporting the same person and you keep getting denied, right? Now, number two, and this is going to be one of the most important, is going to be doing a test buy. Now, I just showed you when I was doing it, Amazon asked if you did do a test buy. A test buy increases your chances of success by 90%. 90 is a lot. So what you want to do is you want to actually buy. So if I would go here, I would buy directly from this person, click add to cart, buy directly from this person, click add to cart, check out, wait for it to be delivered, and then collect the order ID. So you're going to go to the order ID. You're going to go to your orders, and they have an order ID. You're going to copy that, and then you're going to submit that and say, when you do the report, I actually did an order ID. Here's the order ID. Order ID number one, order ID number two, make sure it's actually delivered. Amazon's gonna be like, wow, you actually did this. You verified it was a fake. We're gonna remove it. So that's going to help by 90%. Number three is to escalate a previously submitted case. So if Amazon denies it and you have like photos and all this stuff, you can actually contact brand support, go all the way to the bottom and escalate a previously submitted issue and be like, look, like this is a fake. Here's proof, okay? And then what you can also do is, let's say you have a patent or you have your trademark or you have your item, you want to also make it as idiot proof as possible. So here's an example of one of our clients' products. And you can see the client's products on the left. And if we put the real hick away, right? If you had a trademark, you can put, here's our trademark number. You can show your trademark, and then you can show the product that you did a test buy on. Fake, whatever, fake item, did a test buy and put a picture. You want to make it so idiot proof where when somebody at Amazon reviews it, they're like, oh shoot, you're right, it is a fake. Approved, right? So you really want to make this as easy as possible for Amazon and whoever is reviewing this at Amazon, which is probably somebody overseas that's working way too many hours and is tired. Why are they denying it? Make it as easy as possible for them to approve it. And those are my tips for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with infringement, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Our link is right in the description. We have our own infringement team that monitors your listings and gets them shut off on Amazon USA and Europe and all of the other countries on Amazon, as well as Google, eBay, Etsy, Temu, and Wish.com, Alibaba.com. A lot of websites we do removal for, so feel free to reach out to us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.